Hello, today I'm going to show you how to open and close the car hood of your Audi A1 or S1. Let's open the driver's side by using the remote. And there it is. And the pedals on the left side, there is a lever. This lever you have to pull to you. Good job. Then you're feeling a click, and this is the lock. Now go in front of your car, and above the Audi symbol, there it is. There's a little lever, and you are going to push this lever up, and at the same time you are able to push up the car hood. Yeah, you do not need any more. You only have to push it up by using this lever. And there are two parts of storing the car hood in position, and there are these two nice bumpers. And if you finish your work, only slide it down and let it fall down into the lock. Job's done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.